Did you hear it?
Yeah, I hear mommy or no, I can for here.
Sydney, what are you making? Are you making a pie?